Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see another quick and yummy chicken recipe, which is butter garlic chicken bites, which can be enjoyed either as a side dish or as a starter. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. To make garlic chicken bites, I have used 2 chicken breasts, which I have cut into small to medium portions like this. And now I'm going to marinate them by adding half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, then goes half teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now mix all the ingredients so that the chicken is coated well with the corn flour. So coating is done, and now I'm going to pan fry them. For that, heat a non-stick pan and add around 1.5 tablespoon of any oil of your choice. And when the oil is hot, add the coated chicken cubes one by one into the hot oil. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, flip the chicken cubes one by one. And we need to pan fry the other side till they turn golden brown. By now the chicken cubes are fried golden brown, so I will take them off. In the same pan, add a small cube of butter. And as the butter melts completely, I will add lots of finely chopped garlic. I have used here 20 medium-sized garlic pods. Now saute the garlic on medium flame till they turn golden brown. At this stage, you will get a nice aroma of fried garlic in butter. Next goes 250 ml of chicken stock. Give this a mix. Next goes 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce for little spiciness if you prefer, otherwise you can skip this. Then goes 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this well. And as the sauce comes to a boil, we will add the fried chicken cubes into the sauce. Coat the chicken cubes well with the sauce. And on medium flame, we will let the chicken cubes simmer in this sauce until the sauce thickens and is coated well with the chicken cubes. So by now the sauce has thickened and is well combined with the chicken cubes. At this stage, I will add another small cube of butter to get that buttery flavor in our chicken bites. Stir the chicken with the butter once. Finally, I will garnish with some chopped spring onions. Give this a final mix. And our butter garlic chicken bites is now ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our delicious butter garlic chicken bites on the serving plate. Enjoy this quick and yummy chicken recipe as a starter or as a side dish. I'll garnish with some more spring onions on top. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken starter recipe soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more yummy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.